Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Let's jump right into the charts, starting with ticker symbol AMZN. So on Friday, Amazon was down $1.69 per share after getting rejected at the 230 resistance level. Amazon is currently sitting at support at $228 per share. If that level fails, look for Amazon to come back down to $225 per share. Overall, Amazon is still in a bull trend, and I'm looking for the stock to push towards $257 per share. The next ticker is TSLA, Tesla. So Tesla is down 27% from its last high of $488. And as of closing bell on Friday, Tesla is currently at $355 per share after bouncing off support at $325. Based on my technical analysis, I'm currently looking for more downside on Tesla stock. Keep in mind, this will be another buy the dip opportunity because the stock is currently inside of a bullish broadening wedge. Tesla's current support is at 348, with resistance right above at 361 and 374. If Tesla fails to hold above support at 348, the next level to watch is 340. The next ticker is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Where do I even start? AMD has been experiencing a significant downturn in its stock price. The stock is down some 50% from all-time highs, down 34% from its last high in October. The company recently beat on earnings, yet the stock crashed. Is Wall Street forcing retail investors out of the stock, or are they providing us a massive buying opportunity? Is this the bottom for AMD? The stock is inside of a massive falling wedge, identical to the last one it was in before breaking out to new all-time highs. In my opinion, which is not financial advice. Also, I currently hold 2 contracts of AMD call options. Now, let's go back to the question, are we at the bottom for AMD stock? The answer is yes, we are at the bottom for AMD. If we go any lower, it would be another great buying opportunity to get in before AMD stock takes off to the upside. Also, if we look at the daily RSI, we can see that we have a bullish divergence. A bullish divergence is when a stock is trending down, but the RSI is trending up. Overall, it's indicating we are near a price reversal. Based on my own trading strategy, AMD is a buy at 108 with price targets at 153 and $200 per share. Also, I forgot to mention this trend line that was previously being used as resistance, now turning into support. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart. I want you guys to watch support at 112. If we can hold above 112, watch for AMD to break above resistance at 114. Should AMD fail to hold above support at 112, the stock could get pulled down to 109. With that said, overall, I'm bullish on AMD stock. Next ticker is LYFT, Lyft. So on February the 11th, Lyft reportedly beat on earnings but missed on analyst expectations on revenue. The stock fell to support at $12 per share and was immediately bought up by institutional investors, aka smart money. To me, it seems Lyft is carving out a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern when it comes to technical analysis. The stock can stay above $12 per share. It's likely that the cup and handle pattern will play out. Current support is sitting at $13. Right below that is your next support at $12.85. If $12.85 fails, watch support at $12 per share. The next ticker is AAPL, Apple. As of Friday's close, Apple was up $3.07 per share. With Apple now above resistance at 240, the next resistance level I want you guys to watch is at 247. If Apple fails to get above 247, look for Apple to come back down to retest support at 240. If 240 fails, then look for the stock to come back down to $236 per share. Overall, there is a few bearish sentiment out there on Apple stock. So like I mentioned earlier, watch resistance at 247. The next ticker is QQQ, which is an ETF that tracks the Nasdaq. Overall, this ETF holds the top technological companies in the stock market. Currently, I'm looking for a pullback in the triple Qs as we approach resistance at $538 per share. Also, if we look at the 1-hour chart, the RSI is now a bit extended. By extended, I mean the RSI is now in overbought territory. Also adding to my short-term bearish analysis on the triple Qs. If the stock gets rejected again at 538, be on the lookout for the triple Qs to come back down to support at $533 per share. If that level fails, the next support below that is at 530.